What's up, everyone? Here live with our 10 mega box break of 2022 Bowman Mega. I am gonna get right off and going here. Get Hulk out on our showcase. We'll start off here with 2. Good luck. Excuse me. Got 50 total cards in each of our megas here. 10 of the mega exclusive mojos in each. Looking for color and autos in here as well. 2023 Bowman coming out here in end of April, I believe. Alright, boxes 1 and 2, here we go. Got a couple more breaks up after this one here tonight. We've got 3-box break of Bowman Chrome Megas, an 8-box break of Archive Snapshots, and then a 2-box break of Chrome Update Sapphire. All of those, I believe, ending here in the next half hour on eBay. So if you're looking for more teams, ending here shortly on eBay for our other breaks. And MLB season started here on Thursday. Tons of fun so far. Obviously, new rules causing a lot of talk. Alright, first couple chromes are Bina and Rushman for the Orioles. So a lot of talk about the new rules. Some close calls by umps, and some people have not been too happy about. There's J-Rod Chrome for the Mariners. But overall, I think that it sped up the game, which is what the intended purpose was. Oswaldo Cabrera, Bobby Witt Jr. Not necessarily what everyone wanted, but there's Ellie De La Cruz, Tristan Cassis, Bernabel and Alvarez Chromes, Curtis Mead and Jeter Downs. Last little bit of base here. Onion Sosa, Frazier and Davis. Alright, let's leave up our chromes here. What are your guys' thoughts on the rule changes so far? The pitch clock, the bigger bases. The rules about throwing to first and so on. Obviously, that's one of the bigger things. Now you got guys, I think MLB already talked about it. Someone the other day, or I saw a post on Twitter just about how many more stolen bases there are this year compared to last. Been a lot of fun so far. There's Eddie Leonard for the Dodgers, Joshua Baez for the Cardinals, Quintana, Gonzalez, Manning, Kearney, Rincones. Purple out of 250, Jordan Lawyer. High Five Futures purple out of 250 for the Diamondbacks here. Purple Mojo. Alright, Jordan Lawyer, Hernandez, and Jimenez. That wraps up your first 2 boxes here. Alright, 3 and 4. Alright, boxes 3 and 4 here, if you're just joining in. First break of the night. Got archive snapshots, Bowman Chrome, and update Sapphire up after these Bowman Megas here. Alright, boxes 3 and 4. Good luck. Lara and Cassis Chromes. Ortega and Meyer. Wander Franco for the Rays. Quintana Chrome. Colton Cowser Chrome. Rodriguez and Lawyer Chromes. Wander Franco again there for the Rays. Scotto and Kinney. Rafaela and Panango Chromes. Shane Boz rookie. Vargas, Rincones, and Curda. Alright. Mojo's coming up here. Alright, your Mojos. Wilson, Lenyon Sosa for the White Sox. Guzman, Verdugo, Labrada, Montero, Montgomery, Charaba, Rushman for the Orioles, Sawinski Pirates, Valario, Ryan, Quintana, Velasquez, Villara first Bowman, Cespedes, Jordan, Gonzalez, and Acosta. Alright, that will wrap up box 3 here. Box 3 and 4, sorry. Box number 5. Here we go, halfway box here. Wilson and Mitchell Chromes. Gonzalez and Zach Veen. Guzman and Jordan Chromes. Jordan Walker, Marte, Mojos, Campos, Lau, James Wood for the Padres, Muncie Athletics, and Dory Lorenzo, Bowman Mojo Auto for the Houston Astros. Hit to your out of box number 5 for the Astros. Sorry, Lorenzo up in Hulk there. Guzman and Verdugo. Final couple cards of box 5. Alright, 6 and 7. Here we go. 6 and 7. Looking for some color. And first Bowman's. No De La Cruz or Churio Mojos yet. Single James Wood. Lawyer purple, the only color. Lorenzo on the Mojo Auto. Out of box 5. Here we go, 6 and 7. Sawinski paper, Wagner and Beatty chromes. Darren Baker, first Bowman chrome. Muncie, first Bowman chrome. Wander Franco, rookie. Rafaela, first Bowman chrome. Nunez. Rafaela, first chrome. Lawyer. Operata and Howard chromes. Rincones. Joe Ryan, Josh Lau, rookie, Ramos, Curta, and Kiro. Andrew Mojos, Lopez, Campos, Gill, Lorenzo, James Wood for the Padres, Muncie Athletics. Guzman, Verdugo, Thompson, Backstrom, O'Neal Cruz, Rookie of the Year favorites, Aldi, Ellie De La Cruz, first Mojo for the Reds, Meyer, Rafaela for the Red Sox, Montgomery and Jackson Churio for the Brewers. that wraps up box number 7 here. 3 boxes here to go. Churio for the Brewers. Get these couple sleeved and top loaded here. Alrighty, boxes 9 and 10. Here we go, boxes 8 and 9. Spencer Strider rookie, Waddle and Curda. Rodriguez and Kiro. Montero and Howard Chromes. O'Neal Cruz rookie. Watson first paper. Sawinski and Lawyer Chromes. Sagusti and Cespedes. Leonard and Torkelson. Jose Ramirez. Strider rookie. Thompson and Peguero. Jaron Duran. Valario and Pineda. And your Mojos. Gonzalez, Nolasco, Berger. Johanski Noel for the Guardians. Escado, Arteaga for the Giants. Quintero, Leonard. And for the Brewers, Tyler Black. Bowman Mojo Auto for the Milwaukee Brewers. Base auto here. Jake Berger, Rookie of the Year favorites. Edgar Kiro. Gonzalez, Nolasco. Lenyon Sosa for the White Sox. And Justice Thompson. That wraps up box number 9. Hey Billy, thanks for joining in. The main first Bowman guys I sleeve up here during the break. A majority of the other first Bowman Mojos will get sleeved And then all paper and chromes and mojos that don't get sleeved will all be team bagged, as well as the top loaded and sleeved cards too. But some of the other first Bowman mojos will get sleeved up too. Alright, final box here, number 10. Good luck. Final box. Ketel Marte. Strider rookie. James Wood paper for the Padres. Mercado and Hassel chromes. Ramirez, Acuna, Hendrick. Charlie Blackmon. Montgomery paper, Alexander Vargas chrome. O'Neill Cruz rookie. Vallara first Bowman chrome. Dominguez. Your mojos, Justin Harris. Robbie Martin. Yohansky Noel for the Guardians. Pedro Leon, Tatis. Gold mojo here out of 50. Quintero Allen out of 50. Final hit of the break. Hedbert Perez. Gold mojo out of 50 for the Milwaukee Brewers. 35 out of 50 for the Brewers. That will wrap up the break here for our 2022 Bowman Mojo 10-box mega break. Appreciate you guys hanging out for this one. I'll get going here on a recap momentarily. Get these couple sleeved up. And I am back here, I believe 10:55 with 2 update Chrome Sapphire. Hope to see you guys back for that one. Should be fun. Alright, let's get going on a recap here. A couple mojos. O'Neill Cruz, Pirates. Base Adley Rushman. Some Chrome prospects. Non-first. Bobby Witt, Adley Rushman, Julio Rodriguez. First Bowman Chromes. Vallara Guardians, Cabrera Yankees, Meade Rays. First Bowman Mojos here. Noel Guardians, Harris, Rangers, Ortega Giants, Noel Guardians. Lenyon Sosa, White Sox, Rafael Red Sox, Muncie Athletics, Sosa White Sox, Vallara Guardians, Sawinski Pirates, Baez Cardinals, Muncie Athletics. Some papers. James Wood for the Padres, 3 Wander Francos for the Rays. Andrew Showcase, a couple Ellie De La Cruz. Got first Bowman Mojo and base Chrome. Those 2 for the Reds. 2 James Wood first Bowman Mojos for the Padres. Stack of Brewers here. Hedbert Perez, gold out of 50. Tyler Black Bowman Mojo auto. And Churio first Bowman Mojo. Those 3 for the Brewers. Out of 250 for the Diamondbacks, Jordan Lawyer. High Five Futures, purple. Your Hulk Smash hit of the break for the Houston Astros, Dari Lorenzo. Bowman Mojo base auto for the Astros. Alright, thanks guys for hanging out for this one. I will be back at 10:55 with our next break. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.